thanks a lot for everyone for joining us today here. This is a special day for our participants. So let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Priska. I am the co-founder of TechFace, and today we are introducing the projects, the participants of the full stack developer program of TechFace have started. So with TechFace, we want to bring more women into the tech industry by giving them opportunities such as this program. But we also have other things happening like events and talent matching events and so on. But today the focus is on these 10 girls or women who have coded for the past almost 10 weeks, I think, and learned coding based on like some very little previous knowledge. And I'm really excited to see now their projects. And then, yeah, we support them getting the foot into the door and starting a career as a full stack developer afterwards. So, yeah, enjoy the presentation today, and thanks a lot for joining.
Thank you, Priska. So I'm Thibaut, I'm the manager of the Bootcamp. I won't talk a lot, I'll do a small conclusion at the end. And I just want to welcome the first group. It's Alex and Ola who are going to present their project. It's called SwapBox, and I leave it to you girls. Good luck.
Hello everyone, my name is Arya, and like most of you, I've been stuck at home during the pandemic. Thanks to that, I had time to discover my new passion, which is solving the puzzles, and I could read a lot. The only issue I had was my tight budget, and that was just the only thing limiting my possibilities. Fortunately, I recently discovered SwapBox, which is an app that allows me to give my puzzles and my books a second life, and in exchange, I can find something new for myself. So let me quickly show you how it works from my account. Let's start swapping. As you can see, there is a lot to choose from. So you can browse and look if there is something that you really like. What I appreciate is that it's very easy to distinguish from the map if the pin stands for a book or if stands for a puzzle, so you can easily grab something from the map. But what I will do is search for something from my neighborhood and pick something nice. Great, I have a choice, which is awesome, but I'm a very flower person, you can say so. So I will try to see the details of the product. Wow, it looks really nice and the description is super long. So yeah, I think I will request a swap, but first I would like to discover a little bit more about this person because I have some trust issues, to be honest. But great, there is everything about Sansa, and you can see that she already has few reviews and they are quite good actually. Wow, people are really happy with her. Okay, perfect, so that works for me. I will definitely request the swap. So let's do that. Ta-da! As you can see, my swap request has been sent successfully, and I, on the other hand, have no new requests, so I will log out for now and just check later if I have a response.
Hi everyone, I'm Sansa, and I am an avid SwapBox user. I discovered the app a few months ago after expressing to a friend my frustration with the environmental impact of constantly purchasing new books and puzzles. Through the app, I've been able to upload my items and give them a second life, and I've even been able to give some items a third or a fourth life just by taking items that I got through SwapBox and then putting them back on again. So I've been able to discover new books and puzzles, but also decrease my carbon footprint. So what I wanted to do today actually was upload a puzzle that I just finished, but I can see on my dashboard that I have a request. So I'm gonna go and check it out and see what they would like to look at. So here I see that I have a request from someone named Arya who would like to swap my puzzle, that has 1,000 pieces, and I can pick from all of Aria's available products here. So I'm going to go through them and look and see what I would like to pick. So she has a ton of books and puzzles. I think since I'm putting up a puzzle, I'll probably ask for a new one. And I can pick this one, which is Evening in Paris. It looks really nice. And I'm going to accept her swap request. And then I'm going to write her a message to organize the swap. So, hi, Aria. When would you like to meet up? Okay, and then I want to go because I did want to add the product that I originally had said, which was a puzzle. So I'm going to add a product, and here I can put in what the puzzle's called. So it's the Impossible Puzzle. It has 1,000 pieces. It is a puzzle. Then I have to put in the description. So it's super hard. It's quite difficult. Not for beginners. But it's very fun. And then I'm going to put in my address. So here we go. And I'm going to upload the photo. So here you see that I'm adding my product. If my internet will work, because it's a little slow, but that's okay. Here we go. So now we have my product right at the top of the list, which is really great. Another thing that's really important on SwapBox that I found is it's super community-based. So what I like to do is when I've had a good swap with someone, I like to go and actually give them a review. So I swapped with Rob recently, and he was really communicative. So I'd like to give him a review where I expressed that. So he was really communicative. The book was in great condition. And I'm going to give him 5 stars. Okay, so submit a review. And then here I can see it immediately came to the top. Here I see the 5 stars, and I see what I wrote about him. Okay, cool. Review was successfully created. Now I'm going to go back and just check to see if I have anything else. Oh, here I see I actually have a notification. So I can see here that I have a notification with my swap with Aria. I assume that maybe she wrote back to me. So I'm going to go and check. Here we go. Hi, Sansa. Let's meet on Friday at 5. Okay, so she's also close to Zurich. Maybe Habe would be a good place to meet. So let me go. Great. Go through Habe for work. Would that work for you? Let's see if, oh, cool. She already responded. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's meet 5 o'clock. Okay, perfect. See you there. And then the last thing that I wanted to check today was I've actually been doing quite a few swaps. As I said, I've been on this app for a few months, and I was curious if there was some sort of limit or if there was some sort of like fee at some point, since I have been using it quite a bit. And I saw that they have a frequently asked questions page here at the bottom, so an FAQ, and I wanted to check if they had written anything about that. So they have a couple things: what SwapBox, who's behind the idea, which I'm actually interested in, but I want to first see, okay, so here, are the swaps limited? You can swap as many products as you would like, as long as you've uploaded products. Okay, cool. So as long as there are products in circulation, there shouldn't be an issue. But I definitely still would like to know who's behind the idea. So let's check that out. It's a team with ambitious goals. They're in contact with each other and would like to have an alternative to the throwaway culture, which is originally also why I signed up for the app. So let's go check them out. Okay, so it's a team of female developers. That's not super common in the tech world. But for now, that's all I really wanted to do in my app, and I can log out and check my notifications later in case I have anything else.
Yoo-hoo!
Thank you. And one sec, this is our secret chat person from behind the scenes.
Congrats to you 3 girls. It was great. Very nice app. So everything you've seen and everything you're going to see tonight is live. It's online. It's been coded in 2 weeks by the girls. with little help from the teachers, but really, really little help. And by these 10 girls, they didn't know how to code 9 weeks ago. So congrats, great job, amazing, and a great presentation as well. I suggest we switch to the second group. It's called BuddApp, and it's Santa who is going to present.
Hello, Julia.
Hello, Santa. Oh, despite the corona time, you look so wonderful. Have you lost some weight?
Well, yes, I finally have managed to actually start achieving my goals and stick to them. So I'm really excited that I'm on this journey, and I'm really looking forward to continue. I'm super, super motivated.
Tell me what the secrets. What is
so a few months ago, I found this app. It's called BuddApp, and it matches the people with similar or the same goals, and it allows you to connect and become accountability buddies, where you can communicate and motivate each other on a daily basis. There's actually a research which says that if you have a goal, then the success rate of you achieving it all by yourself is 25%. However, if you work with someone together and you check in on a daily basis and tell them about your progress, the success rate increases up to the whole 95%.
Oh, really? I would love to try it too. Could you please help me to sign up?
Of course, let's get started. Okay, so your first name is Julia.
Nick.
Do you have any particular username that you would like to use?
Julka.
Okay. Your date of birth?
4th October 88.
Just like me, for the year. Would you like to share your gender?
Yes, why not?
Perfect.
My email is Julka123. Oh, so yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, your password. If you just enter it for me, that's great. Okay, let's sign up. Okay, so now this page takes you to all the goals available on this website. So you have all the different goals, such as break a habit, sleep better, grow intellectually, if you would like to learn a new language. Is there one particular that speaks to you?
I like improve self-care and sleeping better, but I'd like to concentrate now on eating better, because with this stressful bootcamp, I used to eat not healthy, you know.
Yeah, I totally understand. Is there a reason why would you like to achieve the goal? Why is it important for you?
It is important because I want to feel better and be full of energy at all times and have a quality time with my loved ones.
Great. And would you like to share something about yourself with your buddy? Because they will be able to see information, so it would make you closer.
Yeah, just simply put, mom of 2 who enjoys hiking. I can edit it afterwards, right?
Of course. Once your profile is ready, you can always come back and add some more information in the future.
Yep.
Okay. Would you like to share your country as well?
Yes, please. I think it can help.
Yeah, let's add that. And your current, the main language you speak is English, right?
Exactly.
Okay, and I have your picture somewhere lying around, so let's just
so lovely. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. So let's get to it. Okay, so now we have created your profile page.
Tell me a little bit more about this profile page.
Yes, so you have your history here. So once you actually achieve your goal and you finally eating better exactly the way you want, you can actually go back and select a different goal. So then you will see your previous history when you started and when you achieved this goal. Then of course we can see the motivation that you entered at the start when you signed up, and like description of yourself and the daily goals. So we can add a daily goal. So what would you do every day to improve your eating habit?
I'd like to start my dinner not later than 7.
By 7 p.m. Okay, so we can add this goal, and once you successfully fulfill this goal for the day, you can actually tick it off from your list. So let's do it now to show you.
Okay. And what happens if I don't show up on the
did you see the current streak and the longest streak increased the moment I activated your daily goal? So every day, if you will fulfill your little daily goal, your streak will keep adding up. If you don't show up, the streak will go down to 0 and you will have to start from the beginning. However, your longest streak will always be shown here, so you can compete with yourself and try to go over your current longest streak. So it's really motivating.
Cool. And what is about the body?
So this application is based on working in a team with another person and be accountable to someone. So it works the best if you actually have a buddy. So you can either find your buddy now, or you can wait to be matched and someone will pick you from their best available matches. What would you like to do?
Let's go and choose a buddy.
Let's find a buddy for you. Okay, so we have 3 best buddy matches for you. And you can see on their little introduction cards how long ago they joined. So you can see the level of expertise they have. You can see that they have the same goal as you. And why is it important for them to achieve this goal, as well as the country where they currently live. So maybe in terms of time zone, it would be really nice to choose someone close to your time zone so you can actually communicate and maybe even do activities together.
Of course. But I would like to choose Españolita. She looks like the most experienced person here.
Okay, let's choose her. Okay, so now you can see that your buddy information is on the other card here on the right, and we can go and check out her profile. So if you go on her profile, you can see her history. So she actually joined a long time ago, October last year, and she achieved her first goal that she set for herself, which was grow spiritually. And she has joined your goal, Eat Better, today on the 7th of May. So you are matched now. And yeah, so her motivation, we saw it already. And the description from her. So she's from Spain. She has 2 children just like you. And she loves to, she travels a lot for work, okay?
Well, you know, Santa, her longest streak is only 12, but she's so experienced. Maybe we could choose someone else? Is it possible?
Yes, of course, we can go back. So you have 2 options that you can do. You can remove buddy, okay? And you become available to be matched, or you can actually go back and find your buddy again. So if you go back, these are your top 3 matches, so you have the same people again. So if you choose Españolita again, there's another option what you can. So for example, if you want to actually change the buddy, you can just find another buddy and your choice is changing to the next 3 top best matches. So it's really cool that, you know, if you haven't chosen anything for a long time, then you can see all the different options that there are. Is there anyone here that you like?
Let's choose Jamie B. She's a newbie like me.
Okay, cool. Let's choose her. Okay, so now you are matched together, and I wish you good luck with the streaks, you know.
Thanks a lot. It's so exciting. But you've told me that you're using this app already for a while. Could you also show me your page?
Yes, of course. Let me show you mine. Okay, let's log in. So this is my page. My goal was to lose weight, and I'm doing it together with Julie. She's super amazing accountability buddy. We can check her profile. She already actually achieved some goals before, and her streak is 74. As you can see, like my streak longest is 31. I was super motivated when I started, but then I think with the Easter break and all the chocolate, I skipped a couple of days, and it was really hard to get back on track. But Julie really helped me, and yeah, like the very nice thing that this application have is that we can share some motivation with each other. So we have this chat here. Okay.
Oh, nice.
So hi Julie. I will just show you how it works, and let's hope she's online. Did you achieve any of your daily goals today? Okay. with the sun. There we go. There we go. Today, not yet, but yesterday I had a delicious salad with my husband. Cook for me. Oh, amazing. Amazing. I did my run already. Actually, I have to add that on my to-do list. Speak later. Speak later, okay. Send her these messages and let's go back and let me add my morning run just to increase my daily streak. There we go. So I have a bit to go to actually break my longest one and actually try to achieve Julie's, but it's super exciting and it really keeps me going.
Looks so nice. I'm looking forward to use it myself.
I really hope that you find it as life-changing as I did. Good luck, Julia.
Thanks a lot, Santa.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.
Bravo! Yee! Congrats! Cool, very cool. So this was Santa, Julia, and Juliana. Congrats, girls. It was great. I don't know if you know, but the 10 women that are presenting tonight, they actually did the whole bootcamp, did the whole course online. And I want to thank them especially for that, because I know it's tough. I know when you're every day 10 hours behind your computer, it can be very difficult. And I'm impressed by the level you have now. So congrats for that. It shows a lot of strength. And I know you were paired every day with a buddy also at Le Wagon. It changes every day. But an app like yours could help a lot. So congrats. Last app, it's Abby who is going to present Menuet.
All right.
And so showtime.
Very good evening, everyone. My name is Abby. I'm a financial trader and I have very hectic schedule. And every evening, it's quite stressful for me to decide what to cook. I usually go to the supermarket now and then and come home with the random things which do not equal a meal. So I've found the solution now. I have come across with an app called Menuet, which is suggested by my friends. And I'm using this app for a couple of weeks now. And trust me, guys, this has changed my life completely. It's basically a meal planner app where you can organize your weekly menu. And I feel that is quite great and appealing because meal planning was always been an overwhelming task for me. So here, this is where you can find the recipe with ingredients you have in your kitchen. For example, I have salmon and I have broccoli in my fridge. And if you don't want to include any particular ingredient in your menu, you can mention it here. For example, red meat, I try to avoid because it's bad for health, and I'm allergic to mushrooms. So here, okay. Okay, so here I can see a proposed menu for entire week that contains a 7 recipe. I can see chicken, I can see pork. I feel it's quite a multi-cuisine and good suggestion for quite a good balanced diet. So let me go through it. Herb chicken with sweet potato mash. I think this looks interesting to me. So I'll go to the recipe now. Okay. I can see recipe name, prep time, and author links to me the original website where the recipe was published. So I'm happy with it. I can see ingredient instructions. Okay, so I'm going to weekly menu now. I think this looks really good to me, but I can see that my son is not going to like it because he is quite fuzzy. So I'm going to change this recipe with my preferences I have already saved. So here now I have different set of recipe and it looks like perfect for my family dinner, day 5, day 6. But oops, this one, shircha, I think it's quite spicy for my husband. He's not going to eat it. So I'm going to change only this one. No, he's not going to, he doesn't like salads. Oops. Yeah, actually he's picky. He thinks he's not, but yeah, but anyways, no option for him because he has to eat whatever I serve him because it's not a restaurant. So I'm going to save this. Okay, so this is Lifesaver, guys. Actually, I have quite a set of recipes for some weeks now. And I think it saves my 30 minutes every day. I used to spend 30 minutes to decide what to cook. And I think this is quite convenient. Here I can see ingredient list where I can go for shopping. Great. No more pen and paper. I never pop up to grocery shop last minute with a hungry kid in a tow now. And the best part is I can delete the recipe ingredient over here. I already have at home, and I can buy so that I can buy more consciously, and no food waste. Okay, so this is ready for the supermarket. Now I can go here. Okay. Oh, actually roasted broccoli. I have tried this recipe some weeks before and it was very good. So I have saved it before I forget. So here you can see my favorite recipe collection. So whenever I want to go back and eat, whenever I feel like, I can make it and enjoy it. All right. Actually, one of my friends also asked me to share this amazing app. So I shared the link with her, but where I can find this. Okay, all right. Okay, I can see one section over here, why Menuet. I think this link will be good for sharing this with her. So I can go here. All right, I can see sign up information, how it works, and website guide. All right, great. I can share with her because anyway, she can try and generate the menu without being login. And hopefully you will also try and you will like it. And thank you. Thank you for attention.
Congrats. So great. Thank you, Abby. Congrats to the Menuet team. So there were 4. It was Abby, Patrice, Alexandra, and Sharka. Congrats to you. No effet demo, no demo effect tonight. So very cool. we were lucky. Maybe Abby, you can stop sharing your screen.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure to have you, girls, during these 9 weeks. I think your teachers, some of them are present here. We're also very happy to have you. We were impressed by the level you acquired. If you look back, I think 9 weeks before, you can see all the path you've traveled and all the things you've learned. And it's still just the beginning of your career, of your journey in tech. Yeah, we try to give you the keys to actually expand in this area and have fun in this area. It's a great area, a great industry where you can do lots of things, even if it can be very technical, like developer. It can be more to the product side or the business side. Lots of opportunities for you. I wish you the best for that. We are always available at Le Wagon, even after the bootcamp. If you need any help for resume, I know there is Priska, but for resume, for applying, for references, for debugging a website on Friday at midnight, or whatever you need. Alain is very fond of that, actually. And once again, it was a pleasure. Good luck for the rest of your journey in tech. And I hope to see you soon. I hope we can celebrate all together soon in Zurich, in sunny Zurich, terrace or restaurant or bar or whatever. Thank you very much, and congrats again. Bravo.